Alright everyone, welcome back. It's Albert Lebel, and this is another episode of the fantastic Stocklocksunday. Alright, so this time around we're going to try this, another one of those BRINKS. Now, if you remember a little while back, I did another BRINKS. The reason I got this was because I like the badge on the front of it. I just thought it was kind of cool and it caught my attention. Obviously, I got it from Walmart. This one here I got because of the same thing. I like the badge on the front of it. Now, it's probably pretty much the same lock as far as the core goes and whatnot. It's just this one's got a lot more plastic wrapped around it, probably for more weather resistance. Now, this does say down here ProMax security, but the ProMax is obviously cut off due to the packaging. So it's a BRINKS ProMax security. It looks like, trying to find some kind of part number or something. It just has 665425001. It's a 1 3/4, 44 millimeter laminated steel. These are not ball locking, as you can see on this one here. So we might be able to have a little bit of fun with it, but the plastic may get in the way also. So I can tell you one thing. Wait till you see the key on this thing. It's pretty freaking awful. So let's cut into this and see what it takes to get into it. Let's Okay, high security package. That's alright. Let's get this out of the way. Alright, so let me get one of these keys off of here. You got to see a close-up on this. It's pretty, now it might actually make it a little harder to pick, to be honest, because look how high these are. It's like they got one cut in it and a little teeny cut over here. I mean, it's just pretty ridiculous. But again, it might make it harder to pick. I don't know. So let's see. I want to see how much room is in there. Yeah, and it's got them spring-loaded locking pawls. I don't know if you can see down in the hole there. But with all that plastic, I'm not sure a shim's going to get in there. Yeah, I don't know about that. I will try it probably, if we can pick into it first. Now, being it's got them super high cuts like that, what I'm probably going to do is use this, the Sparrows. Now, I don't need to use something this thin, but it does have a beautiful high hook, so it'll get way up in there. So, I'm going to try that. Let's lock it up, and let's see if we can't pick into this. I don't know what's going to fit. That fits pretty good right there. Boom. Okay. So yeah, let's see if we can't pop this. And I believe, if I remember right, BRINKS has the security pins, as in like spools. So it may put up a little bit of a fight. Let's, I'll just come over here. Well, let me bring it up. Come in just a tad. Alright, so let's see if we can't pop it first. Single pin pick it. Going in the back first. Well, I say I am. Okay, the pin didn't want to move. I don't know if that's good or bad. Okay, right up front. I said right up front. Okay. Yeah, they don't feel like they're setting normally. That last one, okay, there it goes. That last one didn't want to move. Okay, that felt good. There it goes. Okay, so yeah. Not so bad, but I think, like I said, I believe they have like spool pins. BRINKS uses spool pins, so okay, so that wasn't so bad on single pin picking. But with that kind of bit, I really thought it was going to put up more of a fight because of all them high cuts. But when you got a high hook like that, you can really you can really get in there nice and good. So, I love these picks, by the way. Alright, so now let me see something. Just for fun, again, there's not a lot of room between the plastic and that shackle, but let's just see. And I don't think a comb is going to fit in there because of that keyway, so I think the comb is out. But let's just see. I'm going to try and grab something a little long but narrow. I don't even know if we have any. Yeah, that's too. I think that's too wide. Well, that's going in there. Okay, we might have something here, folks. That might fit. It's in there. Yep, I'm not popping it. Let's try it again. Go inside the side. Rotate it around. Yep, it's not going. I think there's just too much plastic. And I'll tell you what, these things will destroy your hands. Yeah, it's not happening. Let me see why. Let me take a peek. Oh, they're far down there. That's why. Because the plastic raises it up quite a bit. So you'd have to have some really long ones. And I don't think any of my... Yeah, I don't think any of these are going to go that far down. I'm going to try it one more time because I like having fun. This one won't even go in. Okay, there it goes. I'm going to try that one. I need something really long. Let's try this one. Yep, they're not going far enough. Nope. So that's out. But at least we got her picked. So that counts. Alright, so that'll wrap up this episode of Stocklock Sunday with the Brinks. What did I say? It had a part number on it, I think. 665425001. Other than that, it's just a 1 3/4 inch laminated steel. ProMax security. Brinks. Super weather protected, I can give it that. But other than that, when you got a key that looks like that, don't expect too much security out of it. Alright, and it's only what, 1, 2, 3, 4 pin. So yeah, not a high security lock. Something, again, I've been doing this a lot. Something I might put on a small toolbox, maybe a locker. Definitely nothing that costs too much. If it costs more than the lock, probably wouldn't use it. Alright, so thank you all so much for watching. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thank you very much.